Alright, this is medium and heavy duty truck, easy brake drum removal and installation. Okay. All you need is a hand chuck. Right there is the drum we're taking off. And you just put your hand chuck up under it, about a middle ways up. Give it a little lift. I'm going to do this one hand. I'm holding the camera with the other hand. Just grab it, slide it off, just like that. Let it fall into your hand truck. Just like that. I'm going to put it on and just do it the same way. Line it up. Tilt it up like this. Slide it on there. And on she goes. That easy. No breaking your back, picking it up by hand anymore.